Let's start by dividing 34 by 17. Say I tell you to find 34 over 17. The way to do this is to type 34, and you do that by hitting 3 and then 4, so that will give you 34. Hit divides, and then type 17, which means 1 and then 7. Hit enter, and you should get 2. That seems simple enough, but let's try a more complicated one. What if I asked you to divide 34 by 13 plus 12? And these parentheses, if you haven't watched the order of operations video yet, then this might look a little confusing, but these parentheses just mean that we want to add up 13 plus 12 and then divide 34 by whatever that is. This would mean the same thing if we wrote it as 34 over 13 plus 12 without the parentheses, but I'm just writing the parentheses to be extra clear, and because we're going to need to type those on the calculator. So imagine we see this. 34 over 13 plus 12. Let's try to type that out just symbol by symbol. 34, so it's 3 and then 4, divided by 13 plus 12. What we want to do is add up 13 and 12 and then do 34 divided by that. But if you just type this in as is, that's not what the calculator is going to do. If the calculator sees this, it's going to divide 34 by 13 and then add 12 to that. And this will be wrong. So instead, we need to tell the calculator that we are dividing 34 by 13 plus 12 together. So what we need to type is this: 34 divided by, in parentheses, 13 plus 12. And the way that goes on the calculator is you type 34, then divides, and then you open your parentheses, and then you type 13 plus 12, and then you close your parentheses.